If you have scanned using RTK and you need confidence in your final accuracy, this is where PPK comes in. In cases where RTK conditions are not ideal, where you've got signal interruptions, long baseline, and other external site constraints, this is where PPK can help you. In this video, we will walk through a PPK workflow using the FJD Trion P2 scanner and the V10i base station. The first step is to set up static recording on the V10i receiver. Let's do this by using the SOM Survey app. In SOM Survey, let's go to Settings, then Connection. As we can see, we are connected to our V10i receiver. Let's now go on Static. On Static, let's set a file name. Let's set a station name. Let's set the time interval. This will be 1 Hz. Let's set the recording time. We will record for a period of 30 minutes. This will be more than enough to cover the entire time we'll be scanning. We'll set a mask angle of 10 and then key in the antenna height. We'll use the direct height and key in the height of 1.849. File type, we will use RTCM. We'll also enable RTK storage. After this, we'll select Start. The second step will be to start scanning using the FJD Trion P2 scanner. While scanning, we must make sure that the RTK module is connected, and by default, this always records static data. We have scanned with the P2 scanner and we have completed the scan. As you can see, we have a 92% fix rate. PPK will help us get RTK fixed position for the additional 8%. Let's now go to the third step. We will stop the static recording on the base receiver. We will then download the static recordings and then process this on the Trion model software. On the Trion Survey app, we'll select Stop Recording to stop the static recording on the V10i base. Static collection is now completed. Let's go to our static files. We'll select the current date, then select on RTK, and we can see our static records. We can select on the record, then select Upload to upload it to the cloud and download it on our PC. We have collected scan data using the FJD Trion P2 scanner. We have collected static data using the V10i GNSS receiver. Let's now proceed to do PPK calculations with this data, then process the scan data on Trion model. On Trion model, we're going to create a new project. We'll select a project path, then select the folder, then select OK. Our project is now created. Let's now do PPK calculation. We'll select on PPK calculation, then select on base information. We will key in the coordinates of where the base was set up. We will also key in the ellipsoidal height of the point. Then we will key in the base station height. This is the height at which the receiver was set up above the known point. To confirm this, we will check on the logs. That height is 1.869. We'll select the base station data. Then select the mobile station or scanner data. Then select the output location. Once the output location is selected, we can select OK. The PPK calculation was successful. Let's now start point cloud mapping. We will select the FJSLAM file. After the FJSLAM is selected, the correct device model is also selected. Select a scanning scene. For this case, it will be outdoor. Select weather to output a mapping report. Select on GNSS Fusion, then select the correct coordinate system for where the scan was done. For this case, it's Hartebeeshoek 94 LO29. Select on coordinate file, then browse to select your PPK data file. After the PPK file is selected, select OK to start processing. Processing is completed and the point cloud has been registered with the PPK data. As we can see on the mapping report, we have a GNSS fixed rate of 1, which means 100%. We can also see our number of loop closures, the collection route length, and the collection duration. We can save this mapping report. The report is saved. We can now select on our point cloud to see the coordinates. As we can see on the coordinates, our point cloud has now been correctly registered with the PPK data. We have gone through the collection with the P2 scanner using the V10i as a base station collecting static data, and we've processed the data on FJD Trion model, and this is how you go about collecting scan data and using PPK.